What's good guys, Nick here back with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Fortnite back on your iPhone. If you haven't known already, Apple has banned Fortnite from the App Store, so there's no way you can download Fortnite from the App Store on your iPhone. But there's a workaround around that, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do that. But there's three downsides to this thing. First, you will need a Mac or PC. Then you will need a generic Apple cable with Wi-Fi. Third thing, you have to make sure you have downloaded Fortnite before Apple has banned this with your current Apple ID. So assuming you have all the boxes checked, let's jump on into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head down in the description where I leave the link to this website. So once you click on the link, it will bring you here, and the first one you want to download is iMazing for Windows or Mac. I already download these, but I'm just showing you exactly what to do. So if you're on a Mac, you're good, but if you're using a PC, you will need iTunes installed. So if you have downloaded iMazing already, you will get an exe file, but for me, I'm on a Mac, so I get a DMG file, and that's it for that. So the second thing you want to download is Fortnite data. Once you have downloaded the Fortnite data, I have downloaded both already, so just open and install iMazing. Once you open iMazing, the interface will look like this, but don't worry, you don't have to pay to use this tool. You just have to press continue trial, and after you connect your iPhone via USB cable, you will see your phone info on the top left hand corner. Just hit that to highlight that. Then you want to go over here and select quick transfer. Then from here, you want to drag and drop that Fortnite data you have downloaded. It will then ask you for your Apple ID. Just put that in and wait for like 2 minutes for the app to install on your phone. And that's it basically. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all find this video helpful, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Road to 1k subscribers guys, I'm almost at 1k subs, so please hit that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell so you always get notified. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.